Hi everyone, we are back with a new video and today we are discussing about how to check if any invoice is a fake invoice or not. So first of all, let me clear you one thing that in this video I am going to tell you that how to check the GST number, like how to verify the GST number mentioned on the invoice, that if it's verified or not. There are various other ways as well through which a fake invoice can be made, but here I am telling you that how the fake GST number on the invoices can make a fake invoice. So let's start this video. So now let's understand this why thing. That why I would take pain to check this GST number. It's no matter what, I need to pay the amount including GST, so I'll pay it and end up with this thing. So why I would take pain? So let's take this a very simple example. You are a consumer and you bought something. For example, you bought an AC from a XYZ store and you paid this amount 30,000 plus GST. So you end up by paying 30,000 plus GST and it's 28% on AC, so 38,400 you have paid. So now chances are there that if it's a fake invoice, then GST number is also fake. And if GST number is fake, then that GST part will not go to the government, that will go to the dealer. So 30,000 plus GST, 30,000 is the actual cost of the AC and the 8,400 should go to the department, but that is actually not going because the GST number that is mentioned on the invoice is fake. The GST number is not registered GST number, or it's a something copied from anywhere. Now what will happen? In that case, obviously the dealer will get the lots of profit. He'll totally get 38,400, where actual amount he need to get is 30,000 only. So now in that case, I'm going to tell you in detail that how to check the GST number. It is just a 2-minute process. On your system, on your phone, you can check it out that if that GST number is fake or not. And you can check actual details, the registered address, the adjacent codes, the category in which he is registered. Chances are also there that he is registered in the category of services. So let's say he is registered in the category of advertisement services, but he is actually selling you AC. So this is also the case. So now I will discuss with you in details that how to check the GST number. But before that, if you are not a consumer, if you are a business person, let's say it's a B2B sale only, I mean obviously a business person can understand this term, that what here it means B2B sale. In that case, obviously you need to check the GST number if you are not a direct consumer. So then it will also help you to check the GST number at the time of accepting any invoice, that GST number is valid or not. Also, please ensure that if that person who is giving you this invoice has filing his returns or not. That is also I'm going to tell you how to check this thing. So let's come to the screen. Here what you have to do, you just have to search this website in Google, that is gst.gov.in. Here you have to select this search taxpayer tab. In this search taxpayer tab, you can either select GST and UN, search by GST number, second search by PAN, third search composition taxpayer. So here let me tell you the difference between all of these. Search by GSTN means if you have the GST number, then only you can use this tab and you can search the about the party through GSTIN. Next, if you have the PAN number of the party, then you can search through search by PAN. Next option is search composition taxpayer. So composition taxpayers are the different taxpayers that are paying taxes on the different dates. I'm not going in detail on these things because they are taxpayers, they are not getting the input of any sale. So here in the composition taxpayer, if any GST number is there that is related to the composition taxpayer, then only you can select this tab. Now let's start with this search by GSTN number. You have to click here. Then type the GST number that you have. And then write this captcha code. Then search. Here you can see the details. We can see the GST number here, legal name of the business, trade name, effective date of the registration, constitution of business, GST number is active, taxpayer is regular, and we also have the address. And we can also see that if it's authenticated or it's eKYC verified, and the nature of core business activities, a retailer. Here also we can see the adjacent codes, that in which codes he is doing his business. Now, for most important point to the person who is into the B2B, the show filing table. Here you can check that if the person is filing GST return or not. Person here means everyone, like if it's a company, if it's individual, if it's a proprietorship or a partnership firm, anything. I'm covering everyone here. So we can check it out that if person is filing return here or not. So as you can see, that person is filing his return on time. For the 2021 March month return is also filed on 8th April, and as per the GST 3B, it's quarterly and he is filing his returns quarterly. So that is also done. So now we can judge this thing that this trader is valid because he's filing his return on time. We have the address. We are actually buying the anything from this address only, or if it's not the this the principal place, so at least it's an additional place of business or the correspondence. And the trade name is also valid. So as per our understanding, the GST number is correct. So in this way you can check it out that if GST number is valid or not. Now let's take another example, search by PAN. So again, we'll go to the search taxpayer tab, search by PAN. Here we will write down the PAN number. Search. And here we can check that yes, this is active number. And through which we got this GST number. And now you can check out the GST number as we already checked earlier. So and in this next tab is composite taxpayer. So if you have any GST number that belongs to composition taxpayer, then you can check this through search composition taxpayer tab. I hope I made myself very clear that how to check the GST number of any person that you're getting of any bill. And also, if you have any query, you can ask me in this comment section, and if possible, please share this video with everyone who are not aware that how much GST number is important and how much role this GST number is playing. Thank you, and if you like this video, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you.